In this video, we're going to be doing an improvisation all on the white keys. The right hand is going to have triads on the white keys in these simple white key pentascale hand positions. The F position, for instance, the G position, the A position. We can move it around. It's going to be basic triads, block form, and the left hand is going to have octaves on the white keys, but broken. And the hands are going to be in the same position. So if I'm using F octaves, I'm going to use the F triad. I'm going to move to E. I'm going to move to G. D. Speed up. Okay, so now instead of that figure, I'm going to just go back and forth between. Now this broken octave, I can move it around. I'm all on A. Let's go to F. Started to do blocks in my left hand, didn't I? I should have. I mean, I don't know. I mean, we're creative people, right? So we can do anything we want to. But I was trying to stick with the broken octave. I could have. These low A's. And slow it down. All right. Now I could do something more like that, more melodious, lyrical with rubato. Let's say I have this triad and I can create some sort of melody with this. Grace notes. Now the grace note could go in the other direction. Maybe if I took it way up here. Or way down, let's bring them closer. Quite dramatic. Going to bring you back to everything working in tandem together with a rhythm, because that's probably the easiest thing to get used to, is a steady alternating, and this playing at the same rate as that, or twice as slow, 4 times as slow. So see what you can make of that.